Okay, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In case you're new here guys, I'm Nice Mom. I'm coming from school. I want to pass by the market. I'll be picking some few things for supper, and then I'll be going home. So I've been having a very good day. The day has been so good. I was at school in the morning, and then I left for some few minutes. I went to the church because it is just nearby. After church, then I went for the afternoon lessons, after which now I'm going home. The day has been hectic because marahaba, because okay, dealing with pupils, it is not easy, and then you know these young ones, handling them at times is not easy. So when you come from school guys, tired, so I'm just passing by the market, and then I'll be picking something that I want to make for supper, after which now I'll just go home, and then that will be my day. The weather is not favorable. When I look, okay, the sky, it's like it wants to rain. So if at all it is not going to rain, then I'll be going down there to meet some guys, because I'm very new in YouTube. So I'll be meeting some guys there so that they can at least show me what I'm supposed to do from uploading the video. Okay, the much I've been doing, I've just learned by myself guys, so I need to know more. So I'll be asking them some questions. So thank you so much for watching my channel, and stay tuned guys. So we have samples of beans. Let me check the one that I always like. Okay, I've got it. So this one, I'll be cooking this one today guys, so I think this one will be okay. And then also I'll be picking some tomatoes. Let me check guys. And also I think I'll be picking the bananas, the ripe bananas. Okay, let me wait for her. Okay, I always like this guys, I like this, so I'll be cooking this today. So I'll pick this. Hizi zimekuwa ngapi? Hizo ni 40 bob, si ndio? So those ones are for 40 bob. So for 40 bob. Okay, I don't like tomatoes that are so ripe, so I'll just take the ones that are still hard. So I think that this one's going to be enough. 1, 2, 3. So remaining one, I think this one is enough. So utaniweke iko karatasi sasa. Sawa. Za 60? 40. Ni 60. Thank you. Kasuku. Kasuku. How much? 110. 110? Yeah. Okay, it's okay. So So that one is 110 Kenya shillings. So I can pick bananas, the ripe bananas. So let me choose. I think this one is okay. This one will be okay for my family, guys. This one is okay. How much? 20 bob?
Yeah.
So guys, I want to sort out my beans. So in as much as they are clean, but I have to sort them. So my beans are sorted out. I think the water is ready. So guys, let me end this video for today. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you also for giving me a like, and also thank you so much for hitting the notification bell. I love you guys. Bye. Until next time.